If you are a small YouTuber and you wish to earn some money from YouTube, or your channel hasn't been monetized yet, then this video is for you, because I'm gonna share with you how to start making money on YouTube without AdSense. Hi, my name is May. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV. Today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can start making money from YouTube with just a small following or without AdSense. So if you are a small YouTuber and you wish to make some money from YouTube, then make sure that you stick to the end. I will share with you one method on how you can start making money on YouTube. So I myself is a small YouTuber because my channel have not been monetized yet. I've yet to reach 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. I have already started making money. I believe that these profits are even better than AdSense money, because once you are being included in the YouTube partner program, your YouTube videos won't be making you tons of money. For English videos, 1,000 views earn you $7 US. So you need to have millions of views for each of your YouTube videos. So what do you do while you are waiting to grow your channel and to monetize your channel? Today I'm going to share with you one way that you can dropship from YouTube. Yes, you heard me right, it's dropshipping from YouTube. You will get to sell your own products using the dropship method. Meaning is you can sell things on YouTube without holding any inventory. You don't need to handle the stocks. You don't need to handle the packing and the shipping of the products. How good is that? And you can set this up less than one day. So in a while, I'm going to show you on my desktop how you can start earning money on YouTube. But before that, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I share with the YouTube community how to make money online, all the methods to use, and tips and tricks on how you can make extra income from home. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So let me show you real quick. This is one of my videos, and under the description box, I will always include in this. So this one is Shop Supermom TV merchandise. So this, I'm gonna show you my store. This is what I'm referring to. You can sell things which are the print-on-demand things. These are my items. So lately, I've been wearing all these t-shirts which are actually print-on-demand t-shirts that I created myself, and many of my followers are actually asking me whether I'm selling these t-shirts. So print-on-demands are actually very popular everywhere. So if you are a YouTuber, you can just wear all these, and you yourself is a model. You are an influencer, so you wear this every single time that you do videos and also post on your social media. If your design is nice and you have nice quotes, people would like to buy from you. I have a few colors of this t-shirt. So this is the website that I'm referring to. This website is called Teespring, and they specialize in doing print-on-demands. Besides t-shirts and apparels, you can also do printing on your home decor stuff, canvas prints, pillows, posters, tapestries, even on socks, phone cases, accessories, and mugs. So especially if there is like Halloween that's coming soon, so you can create your own prints, and yeah, you don't need to own any of the mugs. Whenever you have orders, Teespring will actually fulfill the orders for you. So that's why this is a very good dropship model, because you don't need to handle any stocks, any shipping at all. And the prices are actually very reasonable. Plus, they do international shipping. So this is the best thing that you can do on your YouTube channel. Teespring has been in this business for very long, and they are one of the top most reputable print-on-demand store out there. So if you are wondering whether they are reliable, I can tell you that it is. Most of the YouTubers, especially the big ones, they all use Teespring. When you set up to sell and you need a store, it is completely zero. You do not need to pay any money to set up the store on Teespring. These prices are, the profits are already there. You can earn from $10 to $30 per piece. The profit is pretty good. For one design, you can have it printed on different materials and different merchandise. For example, like my Supermom logo, I printed it on a normal t-shirt and on leggings. as well as on tank tops. So once you have an order, Teespring will fulfill the order for you and they will pay you your profit. And for those that have YouTube partner program, you can even integrate Teespring into your YouTube channel. So for example, this YouTuber here, Cup of TJ, she have very cute merchandise. You can see at the bottom of all her videos, you can see buy Cup of TJ merchandise, and the moment you click on this, they will straight away bring you to her storefront of Teespring, and you can select sizes here. So this is the hoodie, cute little hoodie, yeah, tank tops. So it's just one design on every apparels, and you can see that she have other merchandise as well, which is the cups. Let me show you real quick how I do a listing for Teespring. So example, I want to make the mug here. Start designing. So what would you like to do with your design? So I want to sell my design. So you just need to add image. I have already an image that I have designed on my desktop. I just need to open up here. And the second step is you can choose the colors of your products. There are so many colors available, but certain colors are only fulfilled in the US. So if you are from another part of the world, then the colors will be limited. For this design, I'm going to just use the white color background. So let's preview how it will look like on a mug. Good thing is you can straight away save your image so that you can share it on your social media. And once you are satisfied with the design and the layout of your design, you can just press here done. Then you can set your price. So by default, this is set at $14.99. This is a suggested price. So each mug that you sell, you get a $6.99 profit. So if you feel that this is too low price for you, you can increase it. But I would advise for a new seller, you can make your price more competitive and you can lower as low as you want. Depends on how much profit you want. So for this, I like to price it at $11.99 for, yeah, so I have about $4 profit. And for the price in euro, I'm setting it at $12.99. So I have a $3.64 of profit, and this is in euro. So this price is actually more expensive because this price actually includes their tax, their VAT. So punch the continue, and they will actually suggest that you add more products like a tote bag or sticker or even on a case. But for this demo, I'm just going to stick with my mug. You punch in the continue. You can name your design. So for me, I will name it Mom Life. So your description, you can write any description you want. For me, I just for this demo purpose, I will just put a coffee is Mom Life. You can change the URL. I will try hashtag Mom Life, and it's available. So you can even change the URL for this product. So I need to publish the listing and I'm good to go. It just takes me less than 5 minutes to get one listing up. So this is the beauty of print-on-demand products. And you can see how, so all products are printed to order. They even have all this description for you, ready for you, and they have a return policy. A lot of you might be asking me, how do I get the design, or how do I design one for my merchandise? So if you want to know, let me know in the comments below. I will try to make a separate video on this, where to design and where to find designs, especially how to get inspiration and where to get inspiration on what design to make. So if you want to know this, then do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make a video especially on print on demands. I hope you have a great week ahead, and I'll see you this Friday. Bye bye.